What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another episode of Humbug Outdoors Fishing. It's your boy C. Smith here, and today we are at Lake Camanche. We're at the South Shore Pond, and we're doing some trout fishing here with my homie Jake. You guys will probably remember him from our little American River session.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Jay Witt here. I'm out here with Humbug Outdoors Fishing.
Awesome. We're getting on some good fish. We were expecting a truck to plant the fish today, but they did not. So we are just fishing basically for the remainder of the fish that are in the pond. And luckily there is a lot of fish still left, so hopefully we can get into some fish today. So stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy the video. I know, that's the polarized glasses are a game changer. Dude, these things are... Got him. Oh, there you go. We're gonna get people starting to crowd us now.
Ready, guys?
What?
That's why you spread out.
You gotta be quiet about it.
It was right on the lip, right? Yeah, that's exactly it. Yep.
Can't give him any time to see it. Yeah, here, come over here. I'll show you. If you want one too, I got plenty of them. Just that guy right there.
Oh, nice.
It's a little different. I haven't seen anyone throwing this, so I've just got to change it up. You know? Yep. So let me know if you want one. All right?
Hey, could you go if I get one?
Yeah. That's a bigger one. Wow. Oh, that's a good one. That's a big one. All right, I gotta be quiet. Yes. Oh my God, that thing. This is making up. Oh. Dang. Now, dude.
For years.
My heart just went.
That was hilarious, bro.
Oh my.
Let me go film it.
on the fighter.
Nice.
You landscaped that one. He landscaped the pond with it.
Okay. Alrighty, it's backing up for us. Oh. Alrighty guys, there is fish 1 through 5 for the day. It was a good day for sure. They actually didn't stock it, so we didn't expect them to actually have fish, but there was some left, and we jumped on it. So yeah, good day. Couldn't have asked for anything more. Thanks for being behind the camera, Jake. And yeah, if you guys like these videos, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, see you guys next time on Humbug Outdoors Fishing. Yee!